Welcome to Notion. Today, we're diving into summing a column. Let's unlock this powerful feature together. First, find the database where your column resides. This could be a table, board, or gallery. Next, look for the column you'd like to sum. It could be amount or any other numerical field. Click on the column header to reveal options. Choose Calculate from the drop-down menu. Now select Sum. Instantly, you'll see the total at the bottom of the column. And just like that, you summed your column in Notion. Time to share your insights. To enhance your Notion experience, explore more functions like averages and count. Versatility is key. Utilizing these features can significantly boost your productivity. Make data work for you. Join a community of Notion users. Share tips, tricks, and insights with like-minded individuals. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep exploring Notion to unlock its full potential. Thank you for watching. Sum your columns and elevate your Notion game today. See you next time for more tips and tricks to master Notion.